Now, what if you need to add a completely new page to your site? Maybe a products page or a services page. Elementor makes this super easy. Click the page dropdown at the top and select Add New Page, and then save your current work if prompted. Click the page and gear icon in the top left to open page settings and give your page a title. I'll call mine Products. Now, you could build this page from scratch, but there's a faster way. We can use starter templates again to access pre-built page templates that you can import and customize. The colors and fonts will automatically match your existing site theme. Click the S icon in an empty container to open the template library. Browse through the designs and open one you like. When you find a page layout that works, click Import Template. The template pulls in with your site's design already applied. Now just customize the text, buttons, and images to fit your needs. For example, I'll update the header text. When you're happy with how your page looks, click Publish in the top right to make the page live. Let's preview how this looks on the live site to make sure everything looks good. Click the eye icon in the top right to preview the page in a new tab. It looks great, but you might notice an extra page title appears at the very top left, and it doesn't quite match the clean look of our template. Let's hide that. In the top toolbar, click Edit Page. Not Edit with Elementor, just Edit Page. This opens the WordPress block editor. Click on the page title at the top, and then click the eye icon next to it to hide it. Click Save in the top right, then click the little square with an arrow to view the live page again. Perfect! Now the hero image extends all the way to the top, and that page title is gone.